In this lesson, we're going to look at filters in Flash Professional 8. Filters are probably the most long-awaited feature in Flash. In the professional flavor of Flash version 8, we can now quickly and easily create effects like drop shadows and glows that we had to do the hard way in previous versions. We apply filters to objects using the Filters panel, which by default is nested with the Properties and Parameters panels. If yours isn't, just go to the Window menu and choose Properties and Filters here. Okay, similar to the blending modes and color modifiers, filters can only be applied to certain objects. In this case, it's text, movie clips, and buttons. And once again, you can always nest something inside a movie clip if you can't apply a filter to it directly. So let's create a movie clip. Grab a drawing tool. I'll take the rectangle tool. And draw a shape. Select the whole shape and hit the F8 key. And we'll create a movie clip symbol. I'll call this filters_MC and hit OK. And of course, we could have chosen Insert and New Symbol. Okay, with your shiny new movie clip selected, look in the Filters panel and you'll see a window with plus and minus buttons above it. These buttons are used to add and remove filters, and the list of filters is shown in the window. Click the plus and you'll see a list of available filters at the bottom. The filters that we can apply here are drop shadow, blur, glow, bevel, gradient glow, gradient bevel, and adjust color. Once you pick one, it then displays in the list window. Add more, and they stack up. Now, it's important to note that these filters are applied in order, and sometimes changing the order will change the overall effect on your object. So remember, you can always click and drag these filters around to change their order. Once you've applied your filter and selected it in this window, you now have a bunch of settings for that filter displayed on the right. We're going to cover these settings in the next lesson. So for now, we're going to end this lesson by looking at a few of the menu entries under the Add button here. The first one is Presets. Once you have applied a filter or a collection of filters to an object, you can save that configuration for later use. Give it a name and hit OK. The rename and delete dialogues allow you to manage your presets. And finally, you can remove all filters from an object or temporarily enable or disable all filters on that object. To do the same thing on a per filter basis, that is one filter at a time, click the little check mark to the left of the filter name, and this will toggle the filter on and off. And that's it for this lesson. In the next one, we'll take a closer look at the individual filter settings.